gives reference to change makers, students who are anchors of change in the global community, awakening the notion that they can make a difference by setting aside their differences to develop solutions for global issues, presenting, learning, sharing, and discussing important issues that concern us, making the earth a sustainable planet. Sustainability in our communities is our responsibility for a brighter future, a future that is now, a future at hand. The future is now.
We participate, we contribute to what we are expected to achieve. We create new things, we think, we innovate, again, together.